Children, start a new chapter, chapter 6, square and square roots. Introduction. You know that the area of a square is equal to side into side, where side means the length of a side. In square, all sides are equal. You know very well. Now study the table. 1 is equal to 1 into 1. That means you can write in the 1 square in the form 2 is 2 into 2. That means 2 square is equal to 4. 3 into 3, 3 square is equal to 9. 3 into 3, 5 square equal to 25. 8 square is equal to 64. 9 square is equal to 81. If we don't know the number, suppose that number we are assuming x or a. So x into x, x square. And in this way we write the formula of area of a square is equal to side into side. That means s square or a square. What is special about the numbers 4, 9, 25, 64 and other such numbers? Since 4 can be expressed as 2 square. 9 also we can express in this form 3 square. So any number, if we can represent in the square form, then that natural number 2 is the exponent and the number is that, suppose that 3 is the natural number and it is called square form. So all such numbers can be expressed as the product of the number with itself. That means the meaning of square is we are multiplying number by itself. Such numbers like 1, 4, 9, 3, you can write the 3 in the square form? No, 3, no number is like that. We can write and we are multiplying itself and we are getting the result 3. Okay, so we can't write any number in the square form and result we are getting 3. Same way 2. But 1 square, 4 2 square, 9 3 square, 16 4 square, 25 5 square are known as square numbers. Okay. General. The definition you will learn: if a natural number m can be expressed as n square, where n is also a natural number, then m is a square number. That means, suppose that if a natural number m can be expressed, suppose that 9 is m and 9 or we can assume other number 81 we can express as a 9 square. So 9 is also a natural number, then m is a square number. That means 81 is a square number and 9 we can represent 9 as a 9 square. Is 32 a square number? Think. 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36. So 32 comes between 25 and 36. So no number is there between 5 and 6. Natural number, that means all positive numbers. So no number is in between 5 and 6. So 32 is not a square number. Now consider the following numbers and their square. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Turn the page. Now 3 into 3 is equal to 9, 4 into 4 equal to 16, 5 into 5 25, 36, 49. You will complete the table 64, 81 and 100. Can you complete the table easily? You can complete. Now from the above table, can we enlist the square number between 1 to 100? Are there any natural square number up to 100 left out? So you will reply and you will observe. You will find that the rest of the numbers are not square number. 9, 16, 25, so 10. You can write 10 in the square form. The numbers 1, 4, 9, 16 are square number. These numbers are also called perfect square. Now find the perfect square numbers between. So you can find between 30 and 40. So from the table you can see between 30 and 40. First complete the table and find, then numbers comes 50, 30 and 40. So I think here will be 36 and 49. So 36 and 49 between 50 and 60. So between 50 and 60, 49 and 8 is a 64. So find these numbers. I will reply later on. Now properties of a square number. Okay. Following table shows the squares of numbers from 1 to 20. 1 and its square. 2. The square of 2 is 4. The square of 3 is 9. So you will read the table, see the table, then study the square numbers in the above table. What are the ending digits? Ending digits you can see 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. So 0, 1, 4, 6, 4 and 5 also. 5, 6, 9. Okay. Study the square numbers in the above table. What are the ending digits? All these numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. You can see here square table. They are ending 1, 4, 9, 6, 5 and 0, 1. So 0, 1, 4, 6, 5, 6, 9. They are ending. All the square numbers you can see. Clear? None of this end with 2, 3, 7 or 8 at units place. So can we say that if a number ends in 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then it must be square number. Think about it. Yes, we can say that. Maybe it will be square. Prediction, at least we can say in the prediction form. Okay. Can we say whether the following numbers are perfect square? How do we know? See, its unit place is 7, so not surety. 3, not 8, not 2, 9 maybe, and 1 may be perfect square because the unit digit is 9 and 6, 9 and 1 according to this definition. Okay. Now see, write 5 numbers which you can decide by looking at their unit digit. They are not square number. They are not a square number, so the digit must be at unit place 2, 3, 7, 8. Write 5 numbers which you cannot decide just by looking at their unit digit whether they are a square number or not. So try to solve this. Write 5 numbers which you cannot decide just by looking at their unit digit whether they are a square number or not. Same questions. Study the following table of some numbers and their squares and observe the ones place in both. 1, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4. In this way, again this table already we have seen at page number 90. Now here number and its square. Return here. The following square numbers end with digit 1. Okay, 1 ones are 1. Here number and square of the number. 1, 1 ones are 1. 9, 9s are 81. The unit digit is 1. 11 into 11, 121. Unit digit is 1. 19, 19s are 361. Unit digit is 1. 21 into 21. Unit digit is 1. Which of 123 square, square of 77, square of 82, square of 161, square of 109 would end with digit 1? Here 3 3s are 9, not the unit digit will be not 1. 7 7s are 49, 2 2s are 4 because 1 2 3 into 1 2 3, 77 into 77, 82 into 82 you will write. So unit digit will be 82 into 82. So 2 2s are 4. Unit digit will be 4. 161 into 161, 1 ones are 1, unit digit will be 1. 9 nines are 81, unit digit will be 1. Write the next two square number which end in 1 and their corresponding numbers. Try to find. So 21. So next number will be 29 because 9 nines are 81. So 29 into 29 and then 31 maybe. You will see that if a number has 1 or 9, 1 or 9, unit digit 1 or 9, unit digit 1 or 9 in the unit place, then its square ends in 1. Same way, first number, consider the number square of 4, 16, 6, 36, 14 into 14, 196, 16 into 16. So square you can see when you are taking square of 4 and 6, if unit digit number is 4 or 6 and you are taking square of those numbers, you are getting at unit place 66666. So which of the following numbers would have digit 6 at unit place? In this unit place, in the square of unit place of this number will be 1. Here 4. So 6 will be there because 24 into 24. 4 4s are 16. So unit digit will be 6. Here definitely 6. Here also will be 6. Here also will be 6. So conclusion is, if in any number unit digit is either 4 or 6, then the square number, the digit, unit digit of square number will be 6. Okay. Now try this. What will be the ones digit in the square of the following numbers? You can see here the numbers. Now we will square of this number. So last digit is, unit digit number is 4. So definitely in the square form the unit digit will be 6. Now 7 sevens are 49. So unit digit will be 9. 8 8s are 64. So 4 will be unit digit number. Then afterwards 0. So 0 will be unit digit. Now 2 2s are 4. So the unit digit number will be 4. And here is 6 6 are 36. So 6 will be unit digit number. Consider the following numbers and their squares. We have 1 0. 10 square, 20 square, 80 square. In the number we have 1 0 you can see, but when we get square of those numbers, 00 you can see here, but we have 2 zeros in the square of form of the number. So 10 into 10 100, 20 into 20 400, 80 into 80. Consider the following numbers and their squares. We can see here in the unit place digit 10 is there, and when we will take the square of those numbers, we have 00. You can see 10 into 10 100, 20 into 20 400, 80 into 80 6400. Same way, if double zeros are there, then 40 we will get when we do the square of those numbers. So conclusion is, if a number contains 3 zeros at the end, then how many zeros will its square have? Definitely just double, that means 6. What do you notice about the numbers of zeros at the end of the number and the number of zeros at the end of its square? If in the number 1 0 is there, so in the square form 00 we will get. If 2 zeros are there, just double. 4 zeros, so 00 we will get when we will take the square of the numbers when at the end of 0. Okay, now can we say that square numbers can only have even numbers of zeros at the end? Yes, definitely. You can see here 2 zeros square number even, 4 zeros even. When we will take square of 3 zeros, so 6 zeros will be there even. Okay, now see table 1 with numbers and their square. So consider table 1. See there. What can you say about the squares of even numbers and squares of odd numbers? Okay, let us see table number 1. So table number 1 you can see here. Okay, even and odd numbers. So odd, 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 even. So we can say that the square of even numbers will be even and odd numbers will be odd. This conclusion we got by observing the table number 1. Okay. Now again we'll see at page number 92. The square of which of the following numbers would be an odd numbers and even numbers? Okay, unit digit number is an odd number. Definitely the square will be odd. Even, so square will be even. Odd, unit digit number is an odd number. 0, even. What will be the number of zeros in the square of the following numbers? Definitely 1 0, just double it when we do the square of this number. Just double, that means 4, and here will be 2. Okay.